welcome to math class.
Welcome to Narnia.
Okay, good morning.
It's our first thing
Good morning.
Good
Good morning. Good morning, Jacob. This is for you.
Jacob, wake up! It's all a dream.
Ethan, miss you. Okay, so
I
that's why-
never said that. I hate this man.
Yeah. He
Oh.
told me if we're going to
Hate
have
is
a
a
video
strong
for
word.
today. Okay, so
He should have
Ethan
been.
is so compassionate.
okay.
Guys,
What's
that's
the name,
nice.
Jacob?
I hate you, Jacob. I hate
Jacob,
you.
give up.
Kids,
Okay,
listen.
kids, listen. Kids, you're still a kid.
No.
I'm a well.
He is.
If I break in the tears on the
Okay.
spot.
Okay,
Kids,
so
Don't be a
yesterday, so
crybaby.
can you turn your book on page
That's what he's gonna do.
124?
Don't cry.
Page 124.
That's a big number.
24.
24.
Okay, so
I wonder if this was our homework. Was it? I think I did.
you're going to answer that later. Okay?
Oh.
Since we didn't finish yesterday.
Are we doing the beads?
The
Okay,
beads.
yeah,
The beads,
isn't it
the
we
beds.
already
Very
solved
fair
about the problem
Beds.
about
It
beads,
was
right?
32 red and 40.
And there are how many red?
32.
Like
32 and
48.
okay, 48. Okay, by using the concept of ratio of proportion, we can solve the number of beads on that problem. Okay, so let's go now on problem number 1. So by the way, when we say proportion, these are equation that states that two ratios are equal. Isn't it? When we say ratio, there is a comparison between two objects.
Mm-hmm.
And we have three ways on how to write ratio. What's the first one? How do we write ratio?
Fraction?
Okay,
Ratio.
so we have fraction. For example, we have A over B. This is the ratio of A and B. Another ratio.
Don't you do the two dots?
Okay,
in
the
there?
two dots, it can be A is to B. Right? And the third one is Kilian.
Could you do
A
is? Yeah,
Is
you
to
can
be,
write it out.
right?
Yeah.
In
you can write it
words.
out. That's what I was gonna say.
wherein the ratio means, for example, we have here the ratio today, 1 is to 3. That's the ratio between girls and boys inside the classroom. Okay? Can you give me the ratio in your family, you and your siblings? What would be the ratio?
1 to 9.
You are
1 to 9.
1,
To 9.
you all of you are 9?
No, all of us are 10. So would it be 1 to 10?
That would be 1 is to 9.
Yeah, that's what
Right.
I'm saying.
How about you, Levi? What's the ratio between you and your siblings?
1 to 6.
1 is to 6, you are 7. Okay, how about your ratio?
1 to 2.
1 is to 2, so you are 3.
Mhm.
Okay, how about you, Ethan?
1-to-1.
So you only have 1.
Yes.
Is it a girl or a boy?
And it's a little brother.
Oh, and the younger one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, let me rephrase that. It's a little terror.
He's got a little baby glove. Ooh.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, so we
It's
have the
nice.
ratio. And
So
You wanna
nice.
The
adopt
next
some, like,
one.
you wanna adopt
so
some
if we
kids in
have
the house?
two or more ratios together combined, then that's the time that we can have our proportion. And our lesson for today is all about solving proportion. We have different properties on how we are going to solve proportion. Okay, the first one, so we have on problem number 1, solving proportion using the cross multiplication property. Okay, so for example, here we have 5. We have x over 4. Okay, so can you tell me what are the ratios on this example, Kilian?
Wouldn't it be?
Can you tell what are
Would
the
that be
ratios?
3 over 4?
We have, just tell me first what are the ratio?
Oh,
given.
5 to 6.
Okay,
over
5 is
6.
6 is equals to x over 4.
4.
So we can rewrite this one, right? So we can rewrite as 5 is to 6 equals x is to 4. Okay, so we have here 5, we have here x. So we are looking for the value of x here if we have here 4, right? So we have a property that what we call cross multiplication property, cross products, wherein we can get the value of x here by just using cross multiplication. So this one, 6 would be divided, multiplied by x. So what would be 6 times x?
6x.
Okay, so this would be 6x. Then this one will be multiplied, 5 times 4.
20.
Okay, this would be 20, right? Right? Okay, so this 5 and 4 outside, that would be our extremes. So this is what we call the extremes of the proportion. And 6 times x, 6 and x, this is what we call our means. Okay? And the product of the means is always equal to the product of the extremes. Just remember that. So what would be our value of x here? 6x is equal to 20. What are we going to do? Yes, Ethan.
20 divided by 6.
Okay, 20 divided by 6. And what's the answer?
Me?
Levi.
20 divided by 6.
20 divided by 6.
I couldn't tell you.
Hmm? That's, you just divide. 20 divided by 6. This would
3.3
be
repeat.
3, right? 18. 20 minus 18, this is 2. Isn't it? This one, you just add 0, bring down 0, then point. 20 divided by 6.
I couldn't tell you.
Yeah, 20 divided by 6 means how many 6 do we have in 20?
Yeah,
We have 3, so 18, so it's just repeating, right? Okay, so therefore we have 3.3 repeating. That would be the value of x. It's just easy, right? Okay, next. Number 2, who can solve on the board? By the way, we can just cross multiply this one.
Can I
This is
try?
what we did. 5 times 4, 6 times x.
Can I try this one?
Okay. Okay. Solve for the value of x. That is 6.
That's 6?
Yes.
Oh. Sorry, it looks like a B to me.
6 is to 5 equals 9 is to x.
5 times 9 equals 45. Right?
Yes.
And then now b equals 6. X is the means.
6 times x.
That would be 6x. And then when you divide 45 by 6,
Just write equals.
45.
Just write 6x.
6x
Equals-
45.
Okay, and then you divide.
Okay. And then 45 divided by 6, would that be?
You're going to divide by 6, not 45. You get? Because
Oh,
6x,
yes,
we are
yes,
solving
yes.
for x.
Sorry.
Okay, that's great.
Equals 45. That'd be 6 times, let's try 6 times 5, that equals 30, so.
How about 7? Oh,
Oh, 6, yes, 7 times 6 is 46, 42.
oh yeah,
7 times
that's
6
right.
is 42, so that would be 42 minus, and then that would be 7 up here, so then that would be 3, and then 3 divided by 6.
This is not that
Wouldn't
bad.
Is it 3 divided by 6? You cannot divide 3 by 6. So what are you going to do?
So it'd be 7.3.
3, isn't it? You add 0?
Yes.
Yeah. Then, when you add 0, you're going to?
Add another 0.
That's correct.
So 7.30.
Is it 30? 30 divided by 6.
30 divided by 6 is 5, so that was
That's
7.5.
correct.
I knew it was a 0.5. I knew it was a 0.5, see, but so 7.5 equals x.
Okay, that would be x. X is 7.5.
That was fun though, I got it.
Okay,
I figured
so
it
if we
out.
are going to multiply, so we can check actually our answer. So 5 times 9, this is 45, right?
Yeah.
And 7.5 times 6, so we're going to multiply. This is 45.0. right? Or that is 45. So therefore, the product of the means is always equal to the product of extremes.
Sounds
If you
fine.
didn't get the same 45,
Then
therefore
it's
you're,
not
there's
equal.
something wrong with you.
I did my homework all wrong then because I did it
I have a
different. I was just
question.
trying to equal them. I can tell you're straight up now.
I have a
Okay.
question.
That's right.
Yeah.
So for 3.3, would that be equal?
Yeah, because it's repeating.
Oh, okay.
So you can just get here.
I get them now. They're easy.
So this would be,
Mhm.
what would be? So this would be 6 times 3.333, and that's 19.99999. It's almost 20.
Mm.
Okay? So that would be the value of x. It's easy?
Yeah, this is easy.
How about you, Ethan? Can you do this?
I can.
I'm
I
sure you.
think.
I
think
feel
you
like I can do one.
Yeah, I think they're pretty fun to do. You should just give everybody a problem like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put them up on the board. Write another problem up the board. Write another problem up on the board.
And how about if we are making that one more complicated, complex one?
We could
Because
try.
this is very easy. This
Yeah,
is just for
you can.
6th graders.
You could. 6th graders. Yeah, you can try to make it more beefy. With no calculator, it'll be
Don't
hard.
say beefy, man.
Why can't I say beefy?
Because it's not in the correct place. Beef,
How did we get to beefy?
beef means like you have problems with people. Like, let's say I want to beat up Levi.
$50 you can.
I
I
know.
have a lot of beef
But-
on them.
No, you don't say that. You'll be like, me and Levi got beef. We got issues. So we need to
Okay, that's fine.
figure it out.
So
Yeah, you
you
did.
just write 10x
I'm beefy.
No,
You're not.
Equals.
you're bony.
Yeah.
Doesn't
Okay,
work.
that's
I mean, I wouldn't be. Boney's as good as beefy. We'd rather be 500 pounds or skinny as a rail.
Very good, Ethan.
I mean, you're.
Okay,
Who said
Thank you,
something about
Ethan.
500
Yep.
pounds?
okay,
Or you could just be neither and be actually beefy.
okay. How
And
about
actually have muscles.
Yeah.
we have here
Be like
problem number 3. Okay, so we have solving a multi-step equation, so using proportion. Okay, so how about if we have here, okay, so
Give me a problem. I want to solve it.
b minus 8
That's not a problem.
over 3 equals b plus 3 over 4. Isn't it? We still use the cross multiplication.
Yeah,
Sure,
can't you do?
but-
Can't
Yeah,
you do?
we are just using this one. So 6 times x, we have 6x, 5 times 9, 45.
Can't you
Wait,
do
can
b
you-
minus 8 dot dot 3 equals
yeah, we
b
can
plus
do that.
3 dot dot 4?
Yeah. But it's
And
more
then-
easy if you're going to follow this one, cross multiplication.
Can we just
so,
see you do this
so that you
problem?
won't be confused.
Yeah, can I see you do it?
So isn't it this one? Yeah, you can still do it.
I
Okay.
am.
So this one would be 4
I was gonna look at
times b minus 8. Use open and close parentheses. Okay, so that because it's different 4b minus 8, if you're going to make that one, this would be equal to 3 times b plus 3, so you just copy b plus 3. And isn't it, we already discussed about the distributive property here, right? We have 4 multiplied by b minus 8. So what are we going to multiply here?
So you're gonna do 4b,
Okay,
Minus-
4 times b, this
This
would be
one?
4b.
4b.
Okay? Positive 4 multiplied by 8.
32.
Is it plus minus?
Negative 32.
It would be minus because we have here. So this would be 32. 3 times b,
3b plus
okay,
9.
this would be 3b. You just multiply 3 by b, then 3b plus 3 times 3, that's 9. So as you can see, we have variables here. What's the variable here?
4 b
B. How about here?
b
B. We can combine together, right?
b b.
So what are you going to do? B, 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 B.
B.
Booby.
How are you going to eliminate B here? So we would like B to be on the left side, example. So how are you going to eliminate this B?
B.
Levi.
We're gonna be minus in 3b.
Okay, this would be minus, this is plus, so this would be minus 3B. And the other side, where are you going to put minus 3B? Is it in 32 or 4B?
4b.
Okay, it should be in 4B, minus 3B.
Yes, sir.
So this one would be cancelled already. Okay, so we have 4b minus 3b. It's just like 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3?
1.
That's 1, or that is b.
That's gonna be bye bye bye.
B, right? B is just the same as 1b. And how about this one? Minus 32 plus 9. So how are we going to eliminate 32 here?
You're gonna be adding.
Okay, this is minus, so this would be plus 32. Plus 32. So cancel. So what would be the value of b?
41.
Okay, that will be 41. So we can check if this is 41, really 41. Okay? So let's check. 41 minus 8.
41 minus 8 is like,
It's like-
32?
Is it 32?
33 maybe?
41 minus 8, Levi.
33 I'm guessing.
33. Divide by 3. Okay, so we have 41 plus 3.
44?
44. Divide by 4.
11?
This is 11. Is it equal to 11?
Yes.
Sir?
Okay, therefore our answer is correct. Because the product of the means is always equal to the product
I
of
think I get
the
this.
extremes.
I
Okay,
think I
how
actually
about
get
this one?
Give us time to solve this one, please.
Okay, can you solve it?
What is that? Is that a
We have
minus?
2.
Oh, that's a 2. Oh.
That's a
This
2?
is equal. Can you
Is
solve
that
for n?
217 or what?
2n.
Oh, that's an n. Oh,
This is
okay.
2n plus 4.
I didn't see the n.
So you do.
Okay, so the variable here is n. Then do the cross multiplication. Can you do it? You can do it on your desk. Then divide. Can you show it to them?
So don't you switch it?
See, the lessons about proportions has something to do with our lessons that we discussed before. It's all about equations. It's all about distributive property. So we can apply all those. Okay? In solving proportion.
I got my answer.
Oh, cross multiplication divide. So this would be 6 times n. That's correct?
Yes, I did it right
Yeah.
then.
Pay attention, Levi.
Okay.
You want to see my answer?
No.
I got this
So
one.
what's your n?
I got n equals 4.
4. How about you, Ethan?
I still have no clue.
Come on, buddy. It's not that hard.
For you, let him go at his own pace.
True.
Let's
That's
go with
correct.
4.
Say, if you're just going to figure out what would be the answer, if you try to solve, it would be easy, Ethan.
Use the serum. Use the
Okay,
method.
so here we have n is equals to 4.
Zero.
Okay, I just explained. We have 6 times n.
My handwriting's
Okay, the denominator on the other side will be multiplied to the numerator here. So this is 6n equals 2 times 2n. So 4n. 2 times 4 we have 8. So we combine 4n and 6n together. So this is minus 4, minus 4. So 6 minus 4 we have 2. Divide by 2 both sides. So 8 divided by 2, the value of n is 4. So we can check also 4 divided by 2. What's 4 divided by 2? Because our n is
I think it was 2.
okay. 2 times 4
8.
plus 4
12.
12.
divided by 6.
2.
Okay, 2 is equals to 2. They are same. Okay? Okay. How about
Good
this
job.
one?
Let me do one more, and I feel like I'm doing pretty good now for once in my life.
Okay.
I feel like I understand
You
now.
understand, Rishan?
Yes.
Okay.
I
Can
feel
you
like
do
I
it,
actually know
Rishan?
this. This is kind of easy.
Wait, so I'm doing this one?
Right.
Yeah.
You're doing it good.
Alright.
Okay.
Watch
Rock
me,
up.
watch me not understand.
What's your favorite rock?
Huh?
What?
No.
Okay,
no.
Rachel, maybe you can do
Quartz.
this.
Nice.
Rose quartz.
You have a favorite
That's a
rock?
cute rock.
I don't have a favorite. I just
Okay.
like rose quartz.
Find the value of
Because
C.
apparently, rose quartz can do things that other rocks like stone can't.
They
do.
can move by
Like
themselves.
magic, have magic
Okay,
powers.
Rishan.
Everything has magic powers. You know this, right?
Yeah.
Jacob is literally
Look
a
at my
wizard.
wand, Jacob.
Jacob's a wizard.
Um,
Oh, that's really weird.
Hello,
looking
Jacob.
at that's
How
really
are you
weird.
doing?
Wait a second.
okay.
Looking at the inverse of that.
So what are you going to
I'm gonna do it
multiply?
over here because this
Digging.
is not gonna fit when I'm about to do
It's
it.
gonna fit.
Wait a second. Wait a
So
second.
you can do first.
That is weird.
All the numbers are backwards for Jacob because you've been doing it like this.
Oh my gosh. At least I think.
Ethan, sit down.
Unless it changes once you.
Yeah.
I think it's 12. Can I go in the video? I doubt he's even gonna watch
Yeah,
it.
the 5 looks like a 2.
He's gonna watch the video. He's Jacob. And
He's obvious.
Ethan, yeah, you need to sit down. Killian.
That's Killian, I mean.
It's
Quite
me.
Nathan
Confused.
the monkey.
Ethan, Killian.
Vampire monkey.
Okay, so we have 4 times c plus 5, 4c, correct?
I think I might have gotten this right. I can make it. What's 4c minus 4c though? 0, right?
Yeah.
I'm like C4.
4c minus 4c is 0c.
Boom.
So we
But-
don't have answer here.
So what does that
You
make
walk
me?
into a room and there's one guy
Yeah.
who's just like,
And then,
oh, you may see one guy.
There's no
I see
value of c
one."
here.
there's nothing right there.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Get
So
it?
therefore we don't have, okay,
Ah, now I
don't
get
have
it.
answer. Okay, there's no value for c here to make this one equal, the proportion equal. Because we got 4c minus 4c.
Then do you write something like
Yeah,
can't
it
solve?
says, yeah, no answer. No value of c. Okay? Okay?
So how are you?
Yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, let's do the problem number 4. So as you can see, using a proportion to solve a problem. Okay, for example, we have here the problem. Okay, for a printer. Okay, do you know what's printer? Have you seen it?
Yeah.
I think we
Okay,
will see
yeah.
printers.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, a printer can print 12 color pages in 3 minutes.
What
Okay.
page do you want?
A printer can print 12 color pages in 12 minutes. It's very slow.
That
That's
is
really slow.
Yeah, because
One
the
page
printer
per
is,
minute.
I think it's 10 years old.
This book's
already.
gotta be 10
Okay.
years old.
How many color pages can the printer print in 18 minutes?
Where is this at? What page?
No, there's not in the book.
18.
Okay, a printer can print 12 color pages, 12 color pages in 3 minutes.
So 12p.
12 pages
12p.
in 3 minutes, right? Okay, the question is, how many pages
18 over X.
can the printer print in 18 minutes? So where are we going to put 18? Is it here or here?
Don't put it anywhere because first you want to find a ratio of how many pieces of paper. there
Yeah.
are per
Put
1
18.
minute.
So we have put 18 here below because we are talking about time. It should be same.
Oh wait, it's 18 minutes.
Yeah.
The answer of the
I thought
answer.
it was 18.
What's your answer?
The answer is 4.
The answer is 4. Let's see. So this would be the unknown.
Four?
Right? Is it
What?
4?
No,
Is it
it's
four?
not 4.
I mean, wait, no, 72.
4 times 8.
72.
So,
Yeah.
X equals.
I was 4, 18 minutes. Yeah, it's lower. Okay, so 12 pages in 3 minutes. So you can do or apply the proportion. So the cross multiplication, right? So this would be 3 minutes times x or 3x equals 12 times 18. What's 12 times 18?
Oh man, 12 times 18.
That's a high number.
I couldn't
Oh.
tell you.
4, 36, 40, 60, 60,
That's why I
You
have a little
multiply.
calculator.
2, 4, 6, 10,
Hmm? Yes, Ethan.
160.
216.
Very good. We have 216.
2 right
So
answer.
divide by 3, right? So what's the value of x? Or we have 72. Then you can solve or you can check. 72 times 3 is also 216. So therefore, in 18 minutes, the printer can print 72 pages.
Can I tell you another way you
That's
could do it?
sad.
You could do 12 divided divided by 3, that equals
Yeah, you can
4,
also
and then
always
4
turn
times
this one.
18.
That is
But this
exactly
one should
what
be
I-
also divided if you're going to do that. Divide by 3 also. Right? Okay,
Yeah.
but
You want to use your
yeah,
method easier.
just use that one.
Yeah, use
So
that method because that
should be-
method's easier.
Yeah.
Because it only
Okay,
works for one
So
problem.
in problem number 4 here, okay, so on your book on page 126, okay, so we have here a portable media player has 2 gigabytes.
Gigabytes.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Of
No.
storage and can hold about 500 songs.
Can I go to the bathroom?
500. I have like
No, it's illegal
I have like
for you.
700 songs on
Okay,
Spotify.
a similar but larger media
700?
player has 80
That's like nothing.
gigabytes
Like
of
that you
storage.
listen
About
to?
how many
like
songs can the
songs.
larger media player
700
hold?
liked songs.
Yeah,
700?
that's nothing.
So
no,
what's the
that's a
answer
lot
here?
of something.
Levi, what's the answer?
It's a good hobby.
Problem number 4.
My playlist.
So we can apply here the concept of proportion with just cross multiplication, right? That
Wait, which
it's
page
given
is
that
this? My page just got messed up.
126.
Numero 4. Oh,
700 like songs is nothing.
wait, 126.
Hmm.
Like your favorite song artist to listen to.
Oh,
Yeah,
You
but
go
there guys
across the country, listen to those songs, and you would not finish.
Yeah.
you
That
could really
is-
go around the world and you never finish.
Okay. So 2 gigabytes, 500 songs. So the other is 80 gigabytes. So how many songs? So you just cross multiply. So the answer is
You listen to one playlist and then you like all the songs.
That's 20,000.
20,000 songs. Okay, how about on gadget number 4?
What's
Okay.
your favorite singer? What's your favorite artist?
Nine.
You don't listen to music?
I don't like. Okay, an 8 owns. Okay, look at the problem. Gadget number 4. So let's answer this one. An 8 ounce can of orange juice contains about 97 milligram of vitamin C. Are you taking vitamin C?
What? I take vitamin C. You can if you want, but you get vitamin C from like outside.
Yeah, that's
I mean-
good for our immune system. Vitamin
Yeah, you-
C.
You
But
usually
too much
take
can
you
kill
take
you.
the
About how
tablets
many
with-
milligrams
145.5.
of vitamin C are there in 12 ounces can of orange juice? So the first given here
Can?
is can.
Who does cans of orange juice?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Okay. So 8. So what's the ratio? The first ratio that is given on the problem. Kilian.
Oh,
What's the first ratio?
8 over 97. 8-ounce cans.
8, that is ounces, right? And 97, that would be, what's the unit for 97? Milligrams, right?
Milligrams.
So what is asked on the problem? What is asked on the problem, Ethan?
How many milligrams of
Milligrams. So therefore, so we should put milligram below here so that you won't be confused. Okay, so this would be X because this is unknown. And therefore, we can have the given here 12. 12 ounces. So we are asking for how many milligrams of vitamin C in 12 ounces.
My mom's in 12 ounces.
You can solve on the board.
Can I try it?
Okay.
Ew, we're using units now?
Yeah.
Do I have to label these first whenever I'm doing it?
You shall label. So Ethan, how are you today?
Hi Gandalf,
Sick.
I'm doing good.
Gandalf the Grey?
Yeah.
Gandalf the Grey?
Cough, cough.
Cough, cough.
Yeah.
Hey Jacob, how are you? That's great.
Proceeds to answer through the camera.
Having fun. That's cool.
Ethan, do you have already your answer?
No, I'm not.
Wait. I'm doing this wrong.
Yeah.
I'm
No,
doing
that's
this.
correct.
I don't even know
That
how
would be
to-
8 times
Eight.
x, it's correct?
But then what's 97 times 12?
And that's the question.
I don't even know
Yeah,
I'm
I
on
s-
the
I
right
will-
page.
Okay, 14. Can you put a line here? So that, yeah, that's correct.
And then you put a 0, that'll be 7.
16. Oh, that's correct.
Right?
Oh, up.
What?
You're doing the first move. Okay, let this be 1 times 7.
It's more like a
7.
car alarm.
Oh, you're right here. 9. Not in 4. It's a ladder, right?
So this would be.
No, there's
It's a
no,
ladder.
there's no zero here.
You know what a
Just
ladder
one
is?
times
A
ten.
ladder?
Ladder.
Whoa, it's a
Yeah,
ladder?
That's how we are going
You're
to
a
The phone.
ladder.
Oh.
The phone is ringing.
Six.
There's an animal in trouble.
That would
You know you're killing people when you blink?
Correct.
be 1, 1, 6,
Proceed
4.
for one
We
faster.
still have the problem left. We still have
Yeah.
so we have 1.
He has to get to himself actually.
Please let be, please.
I want to go to
But
civics
you're not
now.
Yeah, that.
divided by
Correct.
8.
Are you ready for
No.
English?
Oh no!
We gotta quit.
Oh,
100.
1164 divided by 8.
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Listen, here, like,
Minus
teach me.
800, 800.
And talk about stories.
116 divided by 8.
Watch this video.
Oh,
this
oops.
We
Oops,
should
did I
watch
do something bad?
ourselves watching video.
No.
Okay.
We should just watch the video.
See,
Okay.
for me,
I'm
I
not-
don't.
X.
When I
I'm not
record
done
myself
division
and I
and
hear
all
my
that
voice,
shit
I don't
like
like
Isn't
it.
it? You
That's
have
why when I
8x.
record myself,
I don't hate my recording voice.
when I record myself,
So we have 1164. I show
that's a
you.
big number.
So 1164 divided by 8. So this is how we're going to divide.
You know, my-
Okay,
my
11
number
divided by
has
8.
spaces on it.
11 divided by 8.
Can I see your calculator?
11 divided by 8.
Doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
Can I use your calculator?
It doesn't work. 11 divided by 8.
It's 145.5.
Yeah, this is 1. I just want to show it to me.
True.
1 times 8, this is 8, right? So 11 minus 8.
That equals
Is it? It's 3.
3.
Tree.
Bring down 6. Just bring down 1. 36 divided by 8. How many 8 are there in 36?
8 times.
It's
4?
Yeah, this 4. So this would be times, so 32. 4, right? Then bring down 4. How many 8 are there in 8? 44.
If you say 5, it'll be right.
It wouldn't be 5, it would be
Okay.
No,
5.
Joey, it is 5.
Because 8 times 5 is 40.
True.
8 times 6 is 48.
True.
And it's
True,
over.
It's not the brightest light bulb with a pumpkin
Okay,
patch.
so this would be 40. So just repeat.
4.
This would be
40.
0.5.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm not used
so
to doing
X
that
would
all the
be
time. The last time I did division was like in 6th grade.
145.5.
That's
Do
really
you see
sad.
it? Or do you not see it?
Really
Okay.
sad.
It's not sad because it's
No,
not.
no,
they
that
don't
is
teach-
sad. How
They don't
people-
teach you that stuff.
How have you not done it since
Okay, can you do it on the
I
book?
didn't do
Number
this in
10.
6th grade.
Didn't have us a calculator.
I mean,
in
just
6th grade.
division.
Okay, on the book.
They showed us division.
Listen.
Your hand us a calculator in 6th grade. You didn't do division anymore.
I learned division in 1st grade.
Listen. On your book, on page 127. Okay, so can we solve 10 to 25?
What is it? You're
10
11 to 25?
Wait, what do we have to
If
solve?
you are done, then you just check your own.
Is it 11 to what?
10 to 25.
Oh, when I did all my problems.
Then you just
wrong.
check your answer now.
My homework I got all wrong.
Yeah.
I didn't do the right.
Then you can do it now.
Like do the homework again, like redo it.
Yeah.
I
Guys,
can
how
do
many
it, but I'm not
pages
gonna do
are
it
in
on
this
this
book,
piece of paper.
Ethan?
10 to 25, Ethan. Can you check your answer? Okay, then I will get that later.
Well, I usually just have it checked before I leave.
Ethan.
Okay, this is a word, okay?
Are you done, Rachel?
Give me a second. ASS.
Ethan.
ASS.
Hey, what are you doing?
What about it?
Do you see it or do you not see it?
And
Bye, Jacob.